everyone. Well, today I was not planning on doing a live. I was not planning on doing a live for another weekish, but I got goodies in the mail today. And so I had to do a live. I couldn't just hold this back on you guys. I did a pre-order because as a demonstrator, we were able to order from the Occasions catalog and earn from the Celebrations catalog already. So then that way we can give our customers a little sneak peek as to what's coming up and have projects ready to go. And I take the opportunity to create classes and to start planning classes. And I put in my demo order. So this is a little bit of a mix of everything. And I wanted to show you the unboxing of this because it is super fun. And I am so excited and cannot wait to make products or projects with these products. They are just too cute. I am not able to show you anything like the catalog itself, but if I have the products in my hand, I can show you those. So this is what this box is all about. As you can tell, I've already zipped open the box quick to get the tape, and I also wanted to pull out my packing sheet, of course, but this is what I've got so far. So I have a mix because I'm also doing a wiggle worm class in just a couple of weeks here. And so I wanted to, so as you can tell, I have the wiggle worm set. This is actually from the annual catalog. And I got the dies to go with. Let me show you these real quick. So this is a little bit of, it's not Occasions, but we'll get there. So the dies are these to go along with the stamp set. So that was a real quick, you've already seen this. So I'm just going to quickly move on here. This is a Celebration earnable stamp set. It's called the Gangs All Mirror. And look at these little adorable meerkats. And my son is into lizards, so I could not pass him up because he is just too darn cute. And so that is that one. So I've already seen so many cute things made out of this one. It's another Celebration stamp set that you can earn. These both of these are at the $50 mark. That's considered a level 1. Level 2s are for purchases of, you earn them with $100 and up. So so this is the Sending You Thoughts, and I thought that this happy birthday was just too cute. If you can say that if you can say that fonts are cute, but I love that. Okay, and then we'll move on here. I got for my Valentine's Day class. Well, here, I'll show you this one quick. This is another Celebration set, $50 gets you this one. And this is another happy birthday that I thought was beautiful and would come in handy. And I've also seen a lot of cute things done with the cake. So I cannot wait to play with these. Oh my goodness. Then I will get into, and if I get these wrong, I'm sorry. So here is the Heartfelt Photopolymer set. And it is bundled with these 2 punches. So I'm trying not to show you too much of the nitty gritty of my craft room, but here, I'll take these out of here. to show you that these are scalloped heart, and then the I guess it would be a solid heart that coordinates with the heartfelt set. So I am excited about this. Oh my goodness, so much stuff to do, and I'm running out of room on my desk. Then, because I couldn't figure out which particular Valentine's Day set to do for my Valentine's Day class that I have planned here in about a month. Let's get over the Christmas and New Year's first, right? I couldn't figure out which one I wanted to do, so I figured I'd get them both and figure it out, and then I've just decided, while waiting for my order to come, I just decided, you know what, I'll just do both. This is the Detailed Hearts die, and look at how fun that is. I have so many different ideas for this particular die. There was no passing this one up. And so from this, you're gonna have individual hearts cut out. You're gonna have, you can use them for, even with the heart cutouts. Let me, for the little cutout hearts, you could use those for shaker cards. You could use them for little accents to go on the inside of your cards. There are so many possibilities with this particular die. It's not even funny. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to come up with more. And that is actually part of a bundle with the Heart to Heart set. And that is that one. And let me see here. Yes, I've seen things stuff done with the print for the flower stamps, and I've got so many different ideas, it's not even funny. My head is going in about 10 miles, a million different places. Now, this is another celebration. It is a celebration host set that they have started doing. This one is the Little Ladybug, and it is the only host set available in Celebration. This one I could not pass up either, because look at those ladybugs. Oh my goodness. This particular one, if you are interested in ordering this particular or achieving this particular stamp set, it is a $300 workshop or customer order that is going to get you this stamp set added to your order for free, coming at you. It was a little bit of I was like, wait a second, scratching my head, trying to figure things out. Wanted to get you guys the best information, so I called Stampin' Up! To double check. This one, like I said, it's a $300 order. So if you're doing a separate order just for yourself, $300, you get, for $300 you earn, obviously, 3 of the level 2 celebration items. Or you can get 6 of the level 1 celebration items, and you get this one for free as well. So I think that's a pretty good, I think it's a, yeah. So I can't complain too much about that, but I definitely wanted to catch this guy while it was out, because me and ladybugs, I love ladybugs. All right, and then to talk, I needed more crumb cake. How could I run out of crumb cake? Somehow I ran out of crumb cake. So that's going to be used for card bases, because that's my go-to card base. Of course, I'm going to be doing my Valentine's Day class, so I got a pack of the Flirty Flamingo and the Real Red. And the last thing I have here is the From My Heart specialty paper. I'll move my box out of the way here quick. Look at that. And of course it's specialty paper, so you know that that's going to have the foil on there, foil accents. And I just wanted to open this quick for you so that I can show you the different papers. It's always nice that they put this one at the bottom of the box. So as you can see, the Flirty Flamingo and the Real Red foil on here. How cute. Flip it over and you have the hearts. And then we have more foil. Look at that. And just out of curiosity, let me see here. That one would not work. But this is the joy of these bundles, because you can always go in and see if, oh my goodness, it looks like it would. If you had it cut out in spot here, then this particular punch would punch out the hearts on this one. Oh. Flip it over and you have arrows and hearts. Let's see if I can get those in for you. There we go. There's the arrows. And then that is crazy with the lights. So this is one big kind of foiled sheet of the Real Red. And then the hearts. Look at those. Oh my goodness. I can see myself spending a lot of time in my craft room. So those are the two different ones. So you have like striped. And this is all Real Red and Flirty Flamingo. Oh, there's a spot on that one. Real Red and Flirty Flamingo and Whisper White. So if you went and got the same paper packs as I got, you're all set, because then you don't have to worry about color coordinating. And so then the inside of these hearts, let me see if I can get them to shine here. The inside of the hearts are foil in the Flirty Flamingo. Look at that. And then more arrows. Yeah. And then we have hearts. And then this doesn't and then the lines. This one does not seem to have any of the foiled look to it. So you have two sheets that do not have foil on either side. Just to give you that heads up. So when you're like, wait a second, this is specialty paper, it should all be foil. Not always. So that is my haul. I am so happy. I wish it would have gotten to me sooner, because I had a little bit of a break from other stuff, and I would have loved to have that time to spend with my new stuff, but so is life. But so yes, so I am sorry I've taken kind of an intermission out of my videos and stuff. I think from now on, because it is just crazy and we're running in so many different directions, I think that from now on I'm going to be taking from Thanksgiving week to the first week of January's off from now on, just to give that little break, but and not have quite as much, take a little off my plate, but yes. So I did not forget about you guys, and I was not, except for a fall, nothing bad happened to me, but I survived that, so we're all good. And go ahead and go over to my events, because I have worked on my class schedule. So if you are looking to play around with any of these fun sets and you are nearby, I'm doing in-home classes. I'm also going to be starting up and getting back into my online classes. So if that is something you're interested in, by all means sign up and I will get the stuff out to you and you can play too. So with that, I am going to say Merry Christmas because we are about to head out to our Christmas celebrations, and I hope that you all have a safe and happy one, and until next time.